guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys a really nice and easy to do flourish that I call the KINK SLIT flourish, because here in this flourish you do two separate things in two hands and you have this really cool twirling and cut action like that, which looks really cool when seen by the spectator. Alright, so now without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so here's how you do the KINK SLIT flourish. So first of all, hold the cards in this grip. So with your middle finger right over here, the thumb right over here, and the index finger right over here. So now once you are here, you're going to just drop the cards like so. Okay, so once you start dropping, just stop at about 15 to 18 cards right over here. Okay, so now once you are here, just apply some pressure with the middle finger and the thumb like so. Then with your index finger, just roll this packet like that. And once you have rolled it, then with the knuckle of your index finger, just roll it back. Okay, so once again, you dribble the cards, stop at about 15 to 18 cards, you roll it and then you roll it back like that, and you have to do this action really fast. So here's how this looks at full speed. So you just do this and then you come over here. Alright, so now once you are here, you're going to keep your hands like this and just hold the cards with the middle finger and the palm of your hand, just like so. Then with the thumb, break off the card from the bottom. Okay, so you keep your thumb here and just break off some cards like so. Then with your index finger right here, just push the bottom packet so that it comes on top like so. Okay, so one last time, you dribble the cards, you come over here, do this, then hold the cards like so, break off the cards from your thumb, then take the index finger, push the packet back, and then with your thumb just push the packet down until you are here. Then while you are doing this whole thing, you just have to do a simple one-handed cut with your other hand. Okay, so if you don't know how to do it, just go to the link in the description box and check that out. Okay, so now once you have done the one-handed cut, you're going to take this bottom packet which is face up right now and just drop it over here, and then close this and take this and drop it right over here. So basically that's the KINK SLIT flourish, but here's the snap recap. So you hold the cards in this grip, then you dribble the cards and stop at about 15 to 18 cards, then bend the cards like so, then just twirl the cards like that and then twirl it back. Then keep the cards like this and hold them only with your middle and the palm. Then you divide the cards using your thumb, push back the bottom half using your index, then put this half back using your thumb. And then with this hand you do a one-handed cut and stop at this point. Then you flip this packet right there at the opening, and then you close this half and take this and place it on the bottom like so. So guys, that was the KINK SLIT flourish, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, so that was the move, and I do hope that you learned something in this video, and if you did, then please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on my next video with another cool tutorial. And till then, goodbye, take care.